Hello, welcome to GiGadgets Review. Today we're doing headphones. Every year, big brands like Beats and Bose drop millions of dollars on their ad campaigns. It's hard for people to see how good the product really is through all the celebrity endorsements. So we always keep our eyes on some up-and-comers in the industry. Today we got our hands on the Mu6. The Indiegogo team picked the headphone in their favorite collection. And the company claimed their headphone could perform even better than the Bose QC35 too. So we tested it out. Okay, so I'm on my way to work now. I'm not wearing any mic. So I'm taking the sound straight from the headphone and hopefully it sounds good. So I'm in the subway listening to Planet Money. It's pretty loud out and my volume is 60% and it sounds pretty loud and clear. In short, the noise cancelling works really well. In a subway, I could keep the volume at around 60% listening to a podcast, when the Bose is performing at about 70%. But I wouldn't say it's a discernible difference for everyday users. You probably need a graph to see the difference. What stood out was the sound quality. The microphone quality is pretty amazing. The Mu6 uses some technology to separate human sound from regular noise. Also, when you're listening to something quiet like a podcast, it doesn't have the typical white noise most noise-canceling headphones have. It performed a lot better than the Apple native AirPods. The more we use the Mu6, the more we like the user experience. Let's say you're working in an office and one of your coworkers is trying to talk to you. You can just put your hands on your left ear and it will pause the noise cancelling function. It will resume after you put your hands down. The headphone also comes with an elegant charger, so you can put your headphone on and charge it wirelessly. The headphone has a smart button you can invoke Siri on just by pressing it. It works great with the iOS system, and it feels like a native Apple product. The Mu6 also has an app. The user experience is similar to the Bose app, but it allows users to customize more. They built a system that customizes the sound setting to individual ears. Because our ears works differently, we respond to different frequencies differently. You can do the test and it will adjust the sound quality for you. As a prototype, the Mu6 is something we can get behind, but we don't think it's a finished product yet. The app could get glitchy at times and the Bose is a lot more lighter and softer on the ears. In terms of the sound quality, we did a quick poll in the office. Most people still prefer the sound from the Bose, but the Mu6 isn't far behind. If the user spends some time with the customization, the sound might just do. The company says they're still working to improve their product. At the end of the day, when it comes down to the pricing, the $149 price tag is a lot more attractive than Bose. For the final verdict, we might just have to wait for the final product to come out. And for now, subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.